Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Agni Prime new generation ballistic missile brings mobility and strategic flexibility. In a significant stride towards bolstering its strategic capabilities, India's Strategic Forces Command, in collaboration with the DRDO, recently achieved a milestone with the successful flight test of the new generation ballistic missile Agni Prime. This achievement marks a pivotal moment in India's defense strategy, as Agni Prime is poised to revolutionize the country's ballistic missile program. Next, upgraded variant of Uttam Aisa radar for Tejas Mk1A. HAL has announced a significant shift in the Tejas Mk1A fighter program. Chairman and Managing Director C.B. Anantakrishnan confirmed that the Uttam Aisa fire control radar will replace the Israeli ELM 2052 Aisa radar starting from the 41st Tejas Mk1A aircraft onward. Next, seeking advanced radars to bolster air defenses and counter drone threats. The Indian Air Force is gearing up to strengthen its air defense capabilities with the procurement of advanced medium-range surveillance radars. This initiative emphasizes the IAF's commitment to staying ahead of evolving threats, including drone warfare. Next, India's rise as a counter-drone leader, a spark ignited, a future beckons. In recent years, India has emerged as a front-runner in developing counter-drone technologies. This rise can be attributed to a confluence of factors, with the 2021 drone attack on the Jammu Air Force Station serving as a stark wake-up call. The 2021 drone attack on the Jammu Air Force Station, the first of its kind in Indian airspace, exposed a vulnerability in India's defense system. Next, ISRO prepares for Gaganyaan crew module crucial airdrop test. The ISRO is poised for a critical milestone in its ambitious Gaganyaan human spaceflight program. The integrated airdrop test of the Air Crew Module, as reported by ISRO Chairman S. Somnath, the test is scheduled for launch from Sriharikota on April 24th. This crucial experiment aims to validate the functionality of the crew module and its critical components, particularly the parachute system, ensuring a safe return for future astronauts. Next, NOTAM issued for potential ballistic missile test. India has issued new notice to AMN NOTAM previous issued for May 1st to May 3rd. This NOTAM restricts airspace over a 985 kilometer area, hinting at a possible ballistic missile test. Next, ISRO unveils Surya, a powerful new launch vehicle for the future. ISRO has unveiled a new name for its highly anticipated next generation launch vehicle program, Surya, the Sanskrit word for sun. This powerful new launch vehicle promises to revolutionize India's spacefaring capabilities. Surya will be propelled by a game-changing LOX methane engine, the LME-1000. This engine boasts the ability to deliver a staggering 32 tons of payloads to low Earth orbit, nearly triple the capacity of ISRO's current workhorses. Next, India successfully tests new 250-kilometer strike range air-launched ballistic missile in Andamans. In a major capability boost, India Air Force has carried out a successful test firing of an anti-launch ballistic missile that can hit targets at over 250 kilometers. The missile tested by the Indian Air Force in the Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Israeli origin Crystal Maze 2 air launched ballistic missile, which is also known as ROCKS. Thank you.